Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 100 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it. To turn it on, press and hold the upper button until the watch turns on, and to wake up the screen on it, press the upper button and the screen should wake up. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On the quick panel you should see the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, find the system option and then tap on it, and here you should see the factory reset option. Select it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and wait. It takes a couple of seconds, and once you see the watch face, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.